Okay, this is my entry to Colonel Richard Hunter's International Shoot Contest. I don't have a big enough stand to put them side by side, so this is going to be my strong hand or my right hand. This is going to be my weak hand and my left hand. And I'll be using this Metro Arms 1911. Unfortunately, it's not made in the USA, but I'll live with it. So here's my tape measure. Measure out 7 yards. 21 feet right there behind my backpack. And I've got my hat cam going. So I'm going to mount this and zoom in so you can see the targets. See them both here. So there are no shenanigans. Alright, these hold 8. So I've got 3 magazines. Alright, first 5 strong hand supported. Top target. Alright, strong hand, unsupported, 5. Oops, I switch mags. Yep, switch mags. That was 2. Is that right? 8, 9, 10. Oh, that was 10. Let me go count real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that was 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh well. If there's an extra round at the end, I'll put it back on top, unsupported. All right, so left hand supported, bottom target, 5 rounds. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Left hand, unsupported, bottom target. Okay. See if that makes sense. Got 16, right? So I need 4 bore. Oops. Unsupported. 1. That was 2 actually. 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right. I should have let's see, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. Yep. All right, let's go see what the score is. All right. Right hand. See, I got 8, 16. Anyway. 1, 2, 3. Kind of hard to tell there. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4? So that's 4. 1, 2, 3. There's 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. See that? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm missing 1 unless it went through here. I don't know. Guess there's 1 here. There's probably 2 here. Yeah, I think there's 2 here. I don't know. I'll review the tape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I got 1, 2. If there's 2 shots here, 1, 2, 3. That's 3x. I don't know. We'll just have to call a review on that one. So that's right. That's a strong hand. Okay, here's the weak hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10. And I got 1x. 1 strong X there. So, I have to see how the scoring goes. And I'll put it up on the screen. Hope that works. Later.